Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the Kami extension and get it ready to use. First, make sure you're in Google Chrome. That's top priority. It's not going to work otherwise. Next, just Google search Chrome Web Store. This is going to show up first. I'm going to click on here. And in the store, I'm going to search for Kami. It's going to look like it's not there right here at the end, not with any of the other letters. I'm going to search Kami. It's going to pull this up. This is what it should look like. I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click Add to Chrome. Yes, I want to add the extension. Okay, I'm going to get this little pop-up menu here. Okay, I'm going to exit out after I read it, and then it looks like it disappeared. But I'm going to click this little gray box here. It looks like a puzzle piece, and you'll see there is the Kami extension. I am going to pin it. When I do, you see now that blue K is right here, easy to access. Now I'm going to click on it. Since this is the first time that I am logging in, I want to log in or sign up